Having graphics problems on your Windows PC, updating your graphics driver can help with display issues, compatibility, and performance. In this guide, I'll show you how to update your graphics driver using Device Manager. First, open Start and search for Device Manager. Select it from the results. Once it opens, find Display Adapters and expand the category. You'll see your installed graphics adapter listed here. Right-click the graphics device and select Update Driver. If you have more than one adapter, make sure you select the one you want to update. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search for a compatible driver and install it if a newer version is available. Follow any instructions that appear on screen. If Device Manager says the best driver is already installed, check Windows Update. Open Settings, select Windows Update, and choose Check for Updates. Also check Optional Updates for available driver updates. For the latest graphics drivers, you can also visit your graphics manufacturer's official website. Search for your exact graphics model, download the driver for your Windows version, and follow the installation instructions. After updating, return to Device Manager and open the graphics device's properties. Select the Driver tab to check the driver provider, date, and version. Then make sure device status shows that the device is working properly. Finally, restart your PC if required and test your display, games, or graphics applications. If a new driver causes problems, you may be able to use Rollback Driver from the Driver tab. Yeah, that's a useful fallback, and that's how to update a graphics driver using Device Manager. Start with the automatic search, check Windows Update, and use the official manufacturer driver when needed. So always choose the driver that matches your exact graphics hardware.